Running a business requires juggling so many different tasks, and keeping everything organized can feel overwhelming. That's where the Notion Business Bundle comes in, a powerful collection of templates that bring together all the tools you need to manage your business from one centralized platform. Let's walk through each template in the bundle so you can see just how much easier running your business could be. First up, the Business OS Notion template, a complete operating system for your business. This is your main hub, where you can streamline operations, manage projects, and improve team collaboration. With everything organized in one place, you'll save time and reduce stress. Running Facebook ads? The Facebook ads dashboard is built for marketers and business owners alike. Track your campaign results, refine your targeting, and get clear visuals on your ad performance, all in one place. It's designed to help you maximize your return on investment and make data-driven marketing decisions. For product managers and entrepreneurs, the Product Management OS template guides you through every step of developing a product, from brainstorming concepts to launching. It keeps your product journey organized, helping you plan, execute, and stay on top of each phase effortlessly. Client and project management can get complex fast, but the Notion Project Tracker and Client Portal has you covered. This template organizes communications, milestones, and deliverables, creating a smooth, professional experience for both you and your clients. Perfect for freelancers, consultants, and agencies. Running an online store? The Notion e-commerce kit is your essential toolkit for managing inventory, tracking orders, and keeping tabs on customer interactions. It consolidates all your e-commerce operations in one organized place, so you can focus on growing your store instead of dealing with scattered data. Struggling with content ideas? The ChatGPT Digital Marketing Prompts template gives you a huge variety of prompts for social media, affiliate marketing, and more. It's like having a built-in content assistant, ready to help you craft engaging posts and overcome creative blocks. Last but not least, we have the Email Marketing OS. Plan, brainstorm, and track your email campaigns all in one place. With this template, managing your email marketing strategy has never been simpler, helping you stay organized and execute successful campaigns. With everything in one place, you'll be able to organize, plan, and grow your business more effectively than ever before.